What's good, everybody? Your boy 4K Jesse here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be installing fog lights on the OBS and changing my third brake light because it leaks water. But before we get to that, right now I'm gonna go sell a jump seat and come with me. Currently we're on the way to pick up the jump seat I'm gonna be selling. I got the Venice right here chilling with me, passenger princess. Because I'll put it in the back of the van, it's gonna be flying. I don't want that shit to fly. But yeah, look at that Billy. For those, man, this video is backed up because I was supposed to upload a video when I dropped the OBS. And I dropped the video whenever I introduced the OBS, so y'all got an image of how the OBS looks when I had just bought it. But now, man, it's been a couple months since that. I dropped it, I added a full exhaust from the white pipe from that fucking header back. Added wheels, drop, added a radio, added a system, LEDs on the cluster, changed the steering wheel to a Tahoe from a newer Tahoe steering wheel. I put the new the rear mirror, added a little bit of billet pieces, just a little bit, but little things I've done to the truck. And this video's backed up. I'm gonna be posting the video when I drop the truck, so y'all stay tuned for that one. But for today, guys, we're gonna be installing the fog lights on the OBS to make it look a little bit more sporty. I have a Cheyenne grill for the truck also, waiting for the corner lights to come in, and I will be installing that as well. And then also I put LEDs on the truck. If y'all stay up with me on my TikToks, then y'all have seen that I uploaded a video on when I did the headlights and the LEDs. And that's another thing, guys. If y'all want to stay tuned with the truck and stay up to date, I'll post more videos on TikTok because they're easier to edit and faster to upload. But yeah, guys, enough with the yapping. I catch y'all when I get to the I catch y'all when I get to the jump seat.
Tambalea nuestro cariño, debemos evitarlo. Que no me quieres, que tampoco yo te quiero. Desengañémonos, hablemos francamente. Yo no quisiera que nuestro amor se termine así. Yo no me explico por qué te has alejado de mí.
So you can see, we got Envy Racing in the cut and 4K Jesse in the cut. Well, right now we're going to be working on the OBS's. This is the before. And then I cut to the after. We're gonna be installing the fog lights with the valence, and also we're gonna be replacing the third brake light because when it rains it leaks water and fucking gets water inside, and we don't need that. But here's a little oh shit, let focus. Here's a little process of the interior, guys, coming along. We got the subs in already. For those who don't know, the little 210s. I think pretty good. But yeah, let's get straight to work before it gets dark. We got the header gasket leak master right here.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
God. Sheesh. You already put it on?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Fog light valence with no fog lights? That's sick.
For the airflow, nigga.
Damn, son.
Nah, but look at the.
Somebody threw water on you or what?
Faded that whole
This is what happens, guys, whenever you try to do donuts and your truck ain't posse. But nah, back on the road. Oh yeah, look at Angel's new console. Bro, clowning now, for real. Damn, bro, you need to polish your wheels.
Did you got my polisher, bro?
Yeah! Nah, son, you don't need a polisher. You need new wheels already. But yeah, guys, let's get to the install already before it gets dark. But yeah, guys, what the new valence looks like with the fog lights, and also installing this LED third brake light. You know, some slight. Also added new headlights with LEDs and switchbacks. Also dropped it. What else? I put a Borla exhaust from the headers all the way to the back. Installed the steering wheel, a little billet here. Installed the LEDs on the cluster. Like I said, LEDs on the front with the switchbacks. You know, little by little getting this truck right. Shit, what else did I do to this truck? The radio, system, Also put LEDs right here for the plates. But yeah, guys, little by little, it's gonna be the before on the third brake light. Sponsor of the day, Milwaukee. So let me start taking off the valence. What do we say?
You say it's going up a little bit.
Bit. Alright guys, so right now we just took the old one off. Y'all can see it's all crusty and shit. No good. And then we installing this full LED rear brake light. We had to clean it up because it was all old and shit, glued. So we're using these wipers. Yeah, it just goes like that.
Oh yeah, now it looks way better though.
Hell yeah, now you gotta let this shit dry. And you got like a microfiber or something? Can you bring it?
Get to work,
Hey,
bro.
nigga, off. God damn, these mosquitoes are bad, bro.
They're not.
Hey, but y'all check out the new stickers though. Luigi made these. Look badass.
We're gonna start dropping stickers and
Hey, whenever she
Shirts
makes the
and-
next batch, can you make it green? Just for me?
Yeah, I got you.
That would. Sheesh. Man, that should look way better. Hopefully you don't need water, bro. Alright guys, so we just installed the third brake light. My bad, bro. We just installed the third brake light. Full LED. The fucking plug was corroded, so it don't really light up as it should. But what's up, man? But we finna fix that later. But yeah, pretty much it for the brake light. We finna work on the fucking fog lights before the mosquitoes get worse.
not for real.
Bye, man.
¿Qué suena el...? I'm coming in hot. Fucking A, let's throw in the camera. Hit us.
That's how you know you're doing good work, when your hands are dirty. Nah, but we finished. Well, we're not finished, but we finished wiring it up. We're just testing it. And for some reason they don't want to turn on, so maybe on the button we probably have the wires flipped over. But we already ran the wires, we already put the brackets on and everything, we rounded off the light. And now we're just trying to test it.
I mean, they're not that heavy, but if you're
Setting
Once we get them on, we'll cut back to it.
but legs.
Hey, Angel, what you doing?
Angel done fuck my shit up, bro.
Catch the camera up, bro.
Yeah, there's a leg.
Hold on, I'm trying to see this shit.
And this is a ground.
After 100 feet.
Chat, comment down below, should I shower or not? No.
That boy Brian here. Look at that boy. That boy Luis. Is it bright?
Yeah, I could do one.
Is it bright enough?
Damn. Hey, light up Angel.
Hey, light up the harness. I've had a couple of legs.
I've always respected scaffold builders, bro. That's just a cool piece of
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Alright guys, right now we're just running the wire, trying to make this shit look OEM as possible.
Right now we gonna eat Jesse's ass.
Yeah, that whole sweaty as fuck, so good luck. Nah, but right now we're trying to make everything look clean, original.
Yeah, they're over here taking the wires.
That's good because I still got a zip tie.
Trying to eat Jesse's ass too.
Dude, what the hell?
Yo, what's going on, buddy?
Hit me up for your wiring. You know,
Fuck no.
I'm an electrician, NCCR certified. Do not go to this nigga. This nigga will burn your fucking shit down, pop.
Brother, what's that?
All the fuses, bro. Oh, hey, hold on. Can I get an instant replay?
I think we just fucked
Can I get an
ourselves.
instant replay?
So, Jesse finished installing the...
We didn't finish.
I ain't done yet, cuz.
No cap, we going to fucking cut it.
No. Don't do that. Yeah, nigga, fuck you. You got a fucking spade terminal?
The light is a little bad.
Right.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, fuck
I think it's... Fuck me.
it. Rawr.
Hey, look at that boy.
Damn.
He's over recording for the channel.
Damn, bro, I need a charger. Hey, guys, chat.
It went through, chat.
Chat. What I need y'all to do is, I'm gonna start going for me for a charger for this light, and y'all donate, please, chat. Cause it's hard to work on these OBSs with no light, chat. Let me know. Chat, comment down below. Do y'all think Angel is? Chat, do y'all think? Comment down below if y'all think Angel's in the shower. Yes or no? I think no. I vote no. What y'all think, chat? Let me know.
Nigga, I'll send dick pics.
Yo, I'm gonna get demonetized.
For Angel, bro. He don't shower, bro. He don't know what that is.
Nigga, I'll send dick pics.
Angel finna just beat it off and go to sleep.
Man, keep it PG.
Chat, Angel got a BBL. Did I tell you about
Yo,
that?
what's going on, bro? Both of the cousins going on right now.
Nigga, fucking
Bro.
grab the wire, nigga.
Nigga, I'm going. Goddamn. Hey, chat.
¡Ya, güey! ¡Pinche pendejo, güey! ¡Ya! ¡Pinche vato, güey! ¡Ya, güey! ¡Pinche vato, ya!
Bro, this fucking light's dead, cuz. Oh my god, I see the wire. Hey, yo, pause. So right now we're just wiring it up. We already ran everything. Now we're just connecting it. And then after that, we're done. Next thing I'm gonna do though is order the LEDs because it looks like booty cheeks with the original one.
Where the fuck the alcoholics go?
Hey, yo. We got my helper dropping my truck.
Fucking monster gap, nigga.
Yo, ooh. Hold up, that ain't sound right, brother. Alright, guys, so finally got the fucking fog lights installed. Man, they're looking clean as fuck. Shout out to my boy Angel helping. Alright, guys, so we got the LEDs fully installed. I mean, not the LEDs, the fog lights. So I'm gonna be upgrading to the LEDs. But yeah, guys, really hard. Shit looks clean. Let's go check out that nigga Angel shit. Check out Angel. That's what mine's gonna look like when I get the LEDs, but just so y'all can get an idea. Boy, Angel got that fucking electrical on deck. Oh shit! Yeah, but there you go.
Cuando cantaba Javier López Grande, decía: sobres, sobres, como dice. Ahí bailaba la nera Soledad en una noche llena de estrellas. Ahí bailaba la nera Soledad, viendo tirando todo mi power. La zona norte no la deja de bailar. Ya tengo todo este power. La zona norte no la espera para bailar.
Alright, Bino, so what we gonna do, bro?
Well, we're gonna race, but we're gonna leave it for another video. But yeah, we're want to do comparison and with the before and after. Did you show before or no?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, so
Big difference.
You just need the LEDs and that's it.
Yeah, bro, LEDs for sure. Yeah. So we're gonna let Bino do his thing with the cinematic, and I'm gonna talk about the after. So this is how it's looking after, guys. Don't mind the switchbacks; they be tripping. I don't know why I need to get resistors, but yeah, we got the OBS posted up right here. Little bit of what we did today. Put the fog lights on. And man, OBS is looking nice. And then I'm ordered LEDs already. Also guys, stay tuned because I already got the Cheyenne grill. We're gonna be putting the clear corners with the LEDs. So it's gonna be Cheyenne grill with the LEDs on the fog lights and full LEDs on the whole front end. So it's gonna look sick, guys. And also steps I had. We put in the third big light. That shit is looking real nice. OBS is getting some work done. Like I was talking about earlier, the play LEDs. But yeah, guys, we posted up at the little gas station with the OBS's. They're both dirty, so don't mind them. But yeah, guys. Y'all check out Angel's truck, my cousin. Man, shit dirty. He just got his console done. That shit came out clean. Shout out Johnny's Fabs. Y'all hit him up for y'all's console. Don't mind his header lead. It sounds like fucking Pro Charger. Alright, what we finna do next? Don't bring it up. Comment down below what we finna do next. So we bend over Angel and clap him? Nah, just fuck with y'all.
We're selling the truck, 16K. Trying to get a C6. Come on.
Hit him up.
16K cash.
But are you actually gonna sell it? Because if people hit you up, I don't want you to be bullshitting. Actually? Alright, tell them what you got done to it.
18K. Let me know.
18K, god damn. Alright, I don't know if he's serious, but if y'all interested in this truck, hit him up. I'm gonna put his IG right here down below. Yeah, hit him up for more info. Straight up. we at the gas station right here. And homeboy over here, popping wheelies, bro. Bro popping wheelies. Ooh. Damn it, boy. Hey, do it again, do it again. Ooh. Come on. Oculus for the win. Damn it, boy. Hey, JJ Audio got him down. Hell yeah. Hey, hit him, my boy JJ Audio for the rock lights. Oh my god, damn. Hey, that nigga got sweat. Hey, chat, comment down below. Did you hit that bitch or not? Comment down below, chat.
Hey, uno, dos, tres, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was once told real gangsters go to heaven. For real though. 8, 9, 10, 11. Guess what? I spent 90 racks on an old ass Chevy. Call me Bumpy Johnson, I got hit up and kept on stepping. Lucky Luciano, where I'm from, I make shit happen. Pull up foreign snatching, I got a thing for fashion. I told her let's go to dinner, go get dressed and keep it classy. Under investigation, too many problems, too much ballin'. I took 7 million and buried it out there by the water. Mob me, no smoking, cushion, drinking coffee. Once you cross me, I might whack your soul, don't call me. She bad, so I bent her over like a doggy. I cut him off because he worthless, now he salty. I got a thing for bad bitches when they bossy. I like that. Hustle till I'm dead, I get some sleep in the coffin. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. 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 Until all this shit.
Alright guys, so it's gonna be it for this video. Comment down below what y'all think.